Alright guys, we are going to be reacting to how they live in the village in winter. Real village life, simple and without words. Jump in. It's very light snow.
Ты сказки.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of smart. Okay, so it got milk now. She's filtering it now. Wow, that's a lot of milk. And it doesn't go bad, huh? So hold up, so the milk doesn't go bad? So raw milk doesn't go bad, huh? Oh, look at that. He's the first one that I have seen that is using that mechanic or holder to pick up some of the wood. That is kind of interesting. Oh, okay. That's the oven, right? So what? So she's gonna refine the milk, I guess, right? Because I think you cannot, well, it's not advisable to drink raw milk. I think that's what it is. So she's gonna refine it now. Germany, huh? I watched this from Germany. Oh, the little cat. Okay. What's that? What are you doing? Oh, that's yogurt. Hold up. Oh. This cheese though? Oh. Cottage cheese. Right?
Сюда.
Oh, that's nice. Man, that looks nice and clean. What in the hell is this? Ugh. Oh, I see what he's doing. Yep. Work smarter, not harder. That's probably for the cows. Always snowing, my goodness. Oh, that's the spices. Oh man, those are beautiful jars. Oh. Salt. Man, shout out to the microphone. Such a good microphone. Oh. This is pretty cool. This is my first time seeing something like this. Wow. So what happened next? Please. Oh, we still have a lot. And oh, then you boil it. Okay. What? What is going on, man? I'm gonna explode now. Okay. I really don't know, folks. Oh, then he opens it. Okay, got it. There's so much snow, it's gonna take some time. There's so much snow. Too much snow, guys. And I love snow, but there's too much snow. That's very nice, man. No. What's up with the meat? I was looking forward for the meat. Very curious about the meat. I wonder what's the reason, what's the process of fermentation, why they do that, why they want that, why they like the meat to look like that, or too many questions, man. I love stuff like this. This just, man, these people can live years, man. They're just so well off, man. It's insane. Requires a lot of work, don't get me wrong, but it's, you know, it's gorgeous, man. It's a lifestyle that modern way of life needs to just go back to some of this, I will say. Let me know what you guys think, and some of you guys can simply just help me out with the question of why you guys put meat in a jar. I think it was with pepper and some leaf, close it and let it ferment it. What's the reason? Do you guys cook it like that, or you guys are waiting for kind of taste? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next one.